The summer has come and gone, and our dental office is almost ready to open. For anybody who goes through dental school or medical school or any kind of prolonged professional training, most of us at least, this is the light at the end of the tunnel to have your own practice. And I still can't believe that this dream is about to come true. We're just putting the last finishing touches here at Riviera Orthodontics. Some of the paint needs to be touched up. We've got most of our equipment in. These beautiful chairs are ready to go. There's the two main treatment chairs, and then our private adult room slash consultation room. And this is where my front office staff will be working. So I invite you to come check us out. We are eagerly awaiting our grand opening, and then we look forward to hopefully working alongside you to give you the beautiful, healthy smile that you so richly deserve. I'm Arash Bakhtari of Riviera Orthodontics, and I thank you very much for watching. This will probably be the last update video until we are open for business. Thank you so much for stopping by.